My name is Nichole Lewis, and I am the Discovery Education Specialist. Yeah, so I think the big picture vision is to really increase access, equity, and inclusion throughout the entire department, so that all of our students in every single integrative biology class that they take, or every class that they take within our department, that they get these experiences. Ideally starting at day one, so starting when they first enter campus up until graduation, they're getting all of these great opportunities to build these, what we're calling core skills. So again, this is the creativity, presentations, reading, writing, all as they relate to STEM, but then also the really hardcore research experiences. So getting to conduct actual experiments, getting to talk more one-on-one with faculty and be mentored. And so really trying to cultivate and embody that in students, that they are scientists and they can succeed and flourish in this field.
I'm Chris Martin. I'm Associate Professor of Integrative Biology, and I'm also the Curator of Ichthyology. I do think that all undergraduates at Berkeley should have some sort of discovery-based learning experience. And I think that, unfortunately, even many of our IB majors, they get to their senior year, and they've taken all these undergraduate courses, and they still don't know what science is actually like. They think science is about how good are you at memorizing, how good are you at taking tests, how many different genetic pathways have you memorized. I think by the time we get to our PhDs, we get to our postdocs, and we become faculty, we know that science is not like this, but students aren't really getting that message until they have the real experience of being a scientist. So research has shown with cures that it actually helps retention of underrepresented minorities, it helps retention of all students in STEM, because early on they're getting this experience of, wow, science is about creativity, right? Science is about discovery, and hey, I can look this up in a textbook, I don't have to memorize this. And so sort of getting that experience much closer of what that's actually like early on in an undergraduate career is, I think, is really important for students to really make those choices about what their pathway in life is going to look like.
I'm Ellington. I'm a major in marine science and integrative biology, and I'm in my second year as an undergrad. I would say that my first 3 semesters at Berkeley, I applied for UAP and I never got any projects. So I'd say the discovery program and the IB 177 LF fieldwork course was really my first opportunity to engage in research in this way, and it really did get more research opportunities as a result of it because I was able to continue doing my work with Chris Martin in my independent study, and through working with him, through showing him my passion and engagement with the research project in just a class setting, as a result of that, he then would refer me to other professors. So I think small classes like this are really integral to helping students get an idea of firstly what research is, and then secondly being able to actually connect with professors when so many of our classes are 800 students, where I maybe talk to the professor once in a whole semester. This really small 20 student setting, which typically is only open for the highest level of upper level division courses, was available to me as a sophomore. And I think if I didn't have it, I probably would not be in such a great place in kind of my career trajectory and understanding of my academic pathway in Berkeley.
This type of learning does work even at a big institution, where people might be quick to think it's oh, it's too much, we can't possibly do this. It's no, it does work, and because we're a big institution, it's so important that we show that it works here. We give so many degrees, we need to show that the students coming from our institution are trained well and at the caliber that we say that they are.